In this video, I will show you how to get Discord Nitro. So let's get started, guys. First and foremost, head over to your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice and then search for vencode.dev. After that, come over here and then click on download option over here and then click on download the extension. So just click on download. When you click on download, the download will start over here, okay? And when the download has finished starting, what you'll do is simple. Click on Discord. When you click on Discord, make sure that you're logged into your Discord account. As you can see, I'm currently logged into my Discord account. So from that, click on settings. When you click on settings, scroll down, okay? So you continue scrolling down until you see plugins. After that, you have to filter over here and then enable this. So this is the Nitro. Then click on that. So you have to fill in this information over here. After that, you just enable it. And after enabling it, you'd have access to the Discord Nitro right away. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.